Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace or add a wire shelf for your freezer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll do is remove any items that are on the existing shelf. Once we've done that, we simply need to lift up on the right-hand side of the shelf, pull it away from the left side, and discard the old one. Now to reinstall the new shelf, we'll simply line up the pins on the left side first, drop the shelf down onto the pins on the right-hand side. Now to preserve the life of your wire shelves in your freezer, if you do notice a little bit of rust starting, it's a good time to take that out, clean up that rust, and just add a little bit of touch-up paint. And your repair is complete.